What's up, guys? So we're gonna do our question and answer. I ask help from you guys in that through Instagram stories, and I'm gonna choose questions sa lahat ng mga sinenyo as much as possible. And don't worry, like I said dun sa post ko, sa story ko was, I'm gonna make it anonymous. So let's go start it. First question would be, how would you choose between two things for you? That's actually a good question though. So it depends though. Personally, if there's something meron akong kailangang pagpilian between two things na mahalaga sa akin, I'm pretty sure na like pag-iisipan ko siya na mabuti to the point iwo-weigh ko which one is like has more benefits para sa akin. Kasi syempre like if parehong important for sure, both of them has like benefits para sa akin. Pero at the end of the day, meron at merong mas may benefit sa'yo or may mas mahalaga for you. So that's what I'm probably gonna do. Like think about it, make sure, weigh ko pros and cons, and yeah. So that's for our first question. And meron dito like, yung iba dito is na mga questions na, like nauulit siya. So what I'm gonna do is like, sasagutin ko na lang siya ng isahan. So, next would be, how did you start your fitness journey? What's your catalyst? And same question is like, what motivated you to start your fitness journey? So, when I was starting fitness, so I'd say I've been lifting or I've been into like fitness like 3 years in total. 3 to 4 I'd say. Kasama na yung nasa Philippines pa kami. So, what motivated me to start it? Kasi nung nasa Pilipinas nga ako, slowly, nagiging aware ako na parang it's not being healthy na rin. At the same time, I feel like I wanted to be a flight attendant. And hindi ako sure, pero parang hindi naman kasi ako din nag-research that time masyado about it. Pero ang alam ko lang is you should have like dapat ma-meet mo yung kanilang requirements such as yung height, and I think meron din silang certain weight na kailangan. Siyempre kasi I think I'm not sure guys, pero parang I think kailangan, yeah, kasi siyempre it's a plane, So, ayun, isa yun sa naging motivation ko to do it. And at the same time, yun nga, yung health ko. Kasi like simpleng pag-akyat babala ng hagdan, hingal na hingal ako. And naging aware ako and na-realize ko rin na parang this is not good. So, I have to parang step up. And yun, I use that as a motivation. And I think may nakita rin ako one time. It's a question na nakita ko sa TikTok. I think ang sabi dun was like, would you rather be the oldest person sa gym or would you be the youngest person sa healthcare or sa hospital? And dun pala napaisip ako na, like, ano nga ba talagang gusto ko? So, syempre, I wanted to be the oldest person sa gym kasi like, di ba? Meaning, you're still trying to like be fit kahit na may edad ka na or whatever. So, next question. So, favorite workout, and then meron din nagtanong na what's your favorite workout and least favorite workout? What workout do you dislike the most? So, sasagutin natin sila parehas. And I'm planning to do all muscle group as much as possible. So, first, favorite muna tayo. Favorite workout sa chest, I'd say pec flies. So, wala lang. Sobrang feel ko lang siya. Kasi, feel na feel ko lang siya. The stretch, when you squeeze it. So, and mas sobrang ginaganaan lang ako when it comes to pec deck or pec flies. Yung machine. Least favorite workout ko when it comes to the chest would be, I'd say dips. Or yung cable flies or high to low na cable. Or anything na may cable. Like flies pero cable. So medyo yun yung is that. Next would be favorite workout for my back. Ang favorite ko would be the seated row, the close grip, which I'm not doing it. That's my favorite though. Pero yeah, hindi siya kasama sa split or sa program ko. The least back workout is, ito hindi ko to ginagawa pero nagawa ko siya before. So, I'd say yung row, barbell row. But yeah, I just hate it, man. Like, I don't know, hindi ako nag-enjoy, sakit sa likod. But yeah, so hindi ako nag-enjoy dun. So anyway, let's go to favorite leg workout. Right now, for my legs, I'll go with leg extension. Sarap, sarap, sarap gawin. So nag-enjoy rin akong gawin. And the hatest, I'd say the hatest would be, actually I wanna say hack squat kasi na-injured ako dun before. The hatest ko yun. Pero ginagawa ko na siya ulit ngayon and slowly nagagamay ko na siya. Come on guys, it's leg day. So ano ba bang ayaw natin sa leg day? Freaking Bulgarian split squat, man. I mean, it's one of the most effective workout for your workouts for your legs, but I don't know. There's just something with Bulgarian split squat, guys. Like comment down below if you guys agree with me. But Bulgarian split squat, whatever, however, like I don't know, kahit gaano ka ba effective, man, it's a struggle. Pero like, yeah, for favorite workout for my arms right now, favorite push down. Any tricep workout, it's my favorite. And the least favorite ko would be bicep workouts. Ewan ko, wala lang, medyo nabobore ako. Pero, I'm still working it out. But, yun lang, medyo hindi lang ako nag-enjoy sa bicep workout. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the workouts. Next question. To, magandang usapan to. So, apat siya na medyo related sa isa't isa. So, pagsasama-samahin. So, what keeps you motivated? How do you stay consistent on days you don't feel like working out? What's your go-to move to instantly boost your energy when you feel lazy? I'm just gonna answer first yung question. Kasi may gusto ko sabihin, pero I'm just gonna answer it. How do I like just get motivation instantly? What do I do when I don't feel like working out or whatever, you know? Like just in general, if I just don't feel like doing something. Most of the time, if it is a working day or like a gym day and I don't feel like working out, what I'm gonna do is just like, I don't know, just use pre-workout drink, honestly. Other than that, watch podcasts or watch YouTube videos like what? Siba, Samsulik, you know. So yeah, that's what watching anything like if I don't feel like playing basketball, I'm just gonna watch basketball highlights, basketball videos. If I don't feel like doing stuff in my life, probably gonna watch or listen to Tito Thoughts on Spotify, Tito Mikey. Those are my go-to. Yeah, yun nga, pre-workout drink. Here's the thing, guys. What I was trying to say earlier was like, I know motivation is gonna be a factor as well for us. And we don't wanna like, you know, para i-discredit naman yung motivation. Pero the fact that you guys asking these questions is that you guys are already aware that motivation is not reliable. Kasi like motivation can just go away that fast. Like for example, right now I want to go work out right now. I want to go do this. I want to do that. I want to do that. And then all of a sudden, or maybe like tomorrow, you are like, come on, I don't want to do anything else. Or like it's just gonna be a lazy day. It's just gonna be like the fire is already like is not already there. So what you have to practice instead of basing or instead of like relying to motivation, discipline. I've been practicing, I've been training my mind, I've been training myself to become the most disciplined version of myself. So I've been trying to like, you know, deal with me being like a disciplined person. Just me, you know, if I thought about something I need to do it, I'll be disciplined enough to like give time, you know. Sa nutrition ko, it's been a struggle. Sa gym, when you say being disciplined, hindi naman yan like agad-agad. So, there's still gonna be a time parang, you know, yun nga yun, totoo yun, like, it's just you versus yourself, guys. Like, when you wanna do something and you somehow, like, for example, the best example would be like if you have this mindset na, alright, sige, gagawin ko na to, like, mag-iipon na talaga ako ng pera. Pero, at the end, magastos ka pa rin. So, it's gonna be a long process. It's gonna be a, you know, it has to be a repetition na parang yung habit mo na siya. And then that's where you're gonna build your motivation. I mean, your discipline na, okay, na every sahod, ganito, magtatabi ka na ganito. So, discipline ka na. When you wake up, just, just fix your bed. And that's, yeah, yun. Like, small things that can help you build a discipline. So, you can, like, stock it up. Like, being disciplined sa gym, being disciplined when it comes to your hygiene, being disciplined to, like, simpleng pagligo every, or like thrice a day, whatever, twice a day, something like that, or like push up every day, being disciplined with that, or anything. Just try and build that in yourself, and to the point that you don't have to rely on your motivation. So, yeah. What's one small lifestyle change that made a big difference in my life? I'd say really like going to the gym, like being physically active. Kasi it all started like it all started from there, like me being trying to be like disciplined, or like as much as possible of lessen me being like procrastinating. So that really changed my life, like just, and also like the mindset, it builds me a different mindset, like it helps me to change perspective at some point, like not just in gym, like in general, like in my life. So it really helps me a lot to change something. So yeah, it's really a big part though. If you could only keep one habit from your daily routine, which one would you choose? And one habit that changed your life. So it's still connected from my answer. I mean, it's still connected from the other question. I did not notice that. Pero yeah, it's really like going to the gym. And if you guys would give me a chance, umisa pa na kung anong habit yung isa pa, I'd say being able to wake up, being able to wake up ng maaga. Like right now on this season, I'm trying to like wake up as much as possible, like 4 a.m., then go to the gym at 5 a.m. And then because like that gives me tons of time to do all the things na kailangan kong gawin, especially school, requirements, assignments. Ito, like what else? Like I just have a lot of time. So, and that with that, I think I feel like it gives me having these, ano nga yung sabi ni higher up wellness, na parang you have this agreement with yourself na parang, all right, let's do this. And it's something that you owe yourself, di ba? Na parang, it's the life that you wanted for yourself. So yeah, that, like going to the gym and waking up early, because I mean, I'm not saying that I do it all the time. I do it consistently. I'm trying to do it consistently kasi nga, wala eh, dun mo masasana yung sarili mo. So it's just the habit of me going to the gym, or just being physically active. And yeah, just, being a morning person, or whatever you guys call it, like morning owl, whatever. I don't know. But yeah, so, next question would be, are there any sports you'd like to try? I mean, like competitively, I wanna try football though. I mean, nagpo-football naman kami, pero like, batuhan lang. Pero like, low-key, like yung laro talaga, pretty interesting, pero nakakatakot. And maybe tennis. Tennis din. Feel like cool. But yeah, yun, tennis and football. Maybe golf. Then, next question. Damn, what a question though. Basketball or gym? One only. Exclamation pa eh. Galit eh, no? Ha. Basketball only. Basketball only or gym only? Right now, I'm sorry. Right now, ang hirap, ang hirap, ang hirap. I'll go with basketball. Yeah, I'll go with basketball. Ano eh? First love eh. Yeah, I guess that's the explanation. First love eh. But yeah, hirap nun ah. Pwede bang ano? yung lamang ng basketball. So it's gonna be 51, and then 49 for the gym. That's how close it is. 49.9, then 50, Not mating, So next question, chicken breast recipe. Hindi na kasi ako nag-chicken breast, guys eh. But the only thing that I remember when it comes to chicken breast recipe, hindi rin kasi nakalagay if it is like, if healthy ba, or not. Pag hindi healthy, come on, man. There's a lot. Like, deep fry, like, put some batter in it. Sobrang ano yun, tapos lubog mo sa mantikang kumukulo. Tapos ano, soda. Pero if you're talking about clean or like healthy, just salt and pepper, man. That's easy. Salt and pepper, then air fry. If walang air fry, grill. If walang grill, just fry it in the pan. If konting mantika lang, if meron yung pang spray, mas better, I guess. If you want naman na parang medyo enjoy mo pa rin yung recipe mo, alam mo yung chicken pastel, pero medyo mabusisi siya, pero healthy naman. I mean, healthy if gagawin mong healthy. So, what I do is like, chicken breast. Papakulo ko yung chicken breast. Then, pag naluto na, hihimayin mo. Then, sibuyas. I use light butter. Light butter instead of using the regular butter. Para mas less calories, less fat, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Lagyan mo rin ng soy sauce and some oyster sauce. A little bit, just for a taste. Yun. Yun na yung go-to. Dati, hindi na ako na masyado nag-chicken breast. Like, karton na karton. Next question. Ano ba naman to? Pinapipili niyo ako sa ano? If you had to give up one forever, phone or gym, which would it be? I'll give up my phone. I'll give up my phone. Yeah, I'll give up my phone. I'll try to give up my phone. Wala. Gym tayo, guys. Basta lagi libre yung gym ko. Nagkaroon ng ano. Basta laging accessible yung gym. Like, But yeah, I'll give up my phone. Sige. For the gym. Next question. Planning to do steroids? Nope. I mean, I'm not against with it. Like, I don't care if you use steroids or enhancing drugs for gym, but I just don't feel like using it. Stay natin nga, sabi ni Coach J, physique. So, nope. Next question would be cut or bulk. I don't know if I can answer this, pero I've never tried doing bulking, like clean or lean bulking. Kasi like, I just did dirty bulk, guys, which is not recommended. Not recommended. Nope. Sobrang hirap. Like, lalo na pag magka-cut ka na ulit. So, I've been doing cutting since then. And I'd say medyo nasasanay na ako sa kanya. And I've never tried doing clean bulking or lean bulking. If the choices is clean bulk, cutting or clean bulking, I'll go with cutting because, like I said, I don't want to be a bias na parang I've never tried bulking, so I really can't decide. So I'll go with the one na nagawa ko na. Pero if you're gonna ask me clean bulking or dirty bulking, come on guys, imagine big back activities every day. But like I said, don't do it. Okay, if you're trying to build muscle, if you're trying to gain, like, do it in a right way. Kasi pagsisisihan nyo, low-key. I mean, unless you guys wanna experience it, na yung bahala kayo. Pero like, ako na sasabi sa inyo na parang, just do it the right way. Kasi at the end of the day, kayo rin yung mahiran. So, bakit? Kasi when I did dirty bulking, most of the time, the dirty bulk ako pagka yung winter arc na. So, kain lang ako ng kain. Kahit anong gusto ko, snacks dito, snacks doon. Like, prito dito, prito dyan. Like, I don't care about calories, man. I don't care. I don't give an F sa calories. Pag nag-dirty bulk. That's how you do it when you're dirty bulking. Kaya nga dirty eh. So, the biggest or the heaviest ko, I'm 5'11". I'm 5'10". Biggest and heaviest ko was 218 pounds. And then, after like, I'd say March. So, that's gonna be November to March. And then, after nun, magka-cut ka na. So, 218. Goal ko like 160, 155. Imagine, guys. That's crazy. Diba? Hindi, tapos na yung summer. Nagka-cut ka pa rin kasi nga, yung hinahabol mo is going crazy. So, yeah. Just do it the right way. So, don't fall into the trap na, kain lang ng kain. Next question, and I think last question na rin to. Ata, I'm not sure. Let me see. So yeah, I think it's the last question. So dream collab, athlete, creator, celeb. Wow. International and Filipino, I guess. I'll do it. Kasi may mga kilala na tayo sa international guys. So with athlete, I think, I don't know what he meant about athlete, but I guess like it's a gym. So I'd go with 6-time NBA champion. Jordan pala yun. Hindi. 6-time Olympian, you know, C-Mom, of course. Who else? Yeah, Samsulik. Come on, guys. I wanna, with Samsulik. And probably Jeff Nippard. Parang gusto mo magpa-experiment sa kanya yun. Sumali sa experiment niya. Doon ka sa, sa lab niya. I-experiment sa science, Si Coach J. Physique. International yun. Nasa Canada yun eh. Pero Pilipino yun. So yeah, Coach J. John Lennon. So, yan. Collab. What else? Who else? Yeah, Jeff Nippard, Coach J Physique. So rin si Coach Hani. Harry. I forgot. Damn. Yung coach ni Sibam, yung kalbo. Parang mababaliw kapag tinrain ka niyan. Parang, so yeah, yun yung mga gusto kong makakolab. Kala mo na mapapanood no? Excuse me. So, sa Philippines, dream collab, probably Coach Athlete, Coach Jacob Alaba. Coach, sino ba? Collab. Si guys, come on. Bossing, parang collab lang. Not related to fitness or whatever, but yeah. Basketball. Oh, damn. I almost forgot. Tatapusin ko na tong video na to. I guess siya yung pinaka-dream collab ko talaga. Like, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Sino? Dream collab ko? Tingin nyo, sino? You already know, guys. If you know, you know. Si Tito Mikey. So, yeah. Dream collab, Tito Mikey. Tsaka si CZ. Come on, guys. Silang dalawa. Si Tito Mikey tsaka si CZ. I wanna meet them. I wanna have kahit hindi nga collab kahit makita. So, actually, guys, it's a funny story. A quick funny story. Na-meet ko na si CK, si CZ. Pumunta siya sa bahay. Legit. Pumunta siya sa bahay. Kasi one time, I've been a fan of Tito Mikey or Mikey Reyes since, come on guys, Banyo King, Banyo Peeps, Banyo days. And meron siyang merch. And I think si CK De Leon or si CZ yung nag-aayos ng orders. And I think there was a mistake dun sa size. And sobrang bilis ng response niya na, mali, ganito, ganyan. Syempre, pandemic. Medyo, ang size natin, medyo big size tayo that time. Maliit yung size na nabigay sa atin. So, I don't have a choice, hindi ko masusuot. Pero, mali naman talaga yung nabigay. So, tama yung order ko. So, ginawa ni CZ was, pinalitan niya, then kinuha niya information ko, tapos siya yung mismo nag-deliver. Special delivery. Yeah. But, sayang lang hindi ako nakapagpa-picture that time. Kasi, kailangan daw sabay silang picture. Parehas. But yeah, yun lang ng ating dream collab. Maybe may nakalimutan pa tayo, pero, hopefully, in the future, or kahit just ma-meet lang natin sila Sibam, sila Samsulik, picture lang, okay na ako, kahit hindi na yung collab na whatever you guys wanna do. Di ba? So, but if, there's a chance na mag-collab, why not? Come on, guys. Why not? Tatanggi ba tayo sa Gracia? But anyway, yun lang naman. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.